Hey 30-minute marketers. Today's video, we're going to do a Thrive Themes review as we head into 2020. And we're going to ask, is Thrive Themes worth it? And is it one of the best WordPress themes for affiliate marketing? If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, click on the subscribe button or ring the bell for notification of future videos. Check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today's focus is, of course, on Thrive Themes. And Thrive Themes is what powers 30minutemarketing.net. And as you can see right here on the home page, this page was built with Thrive Themes. This is actually Thrive Architect, which, of course, there are videos that cover everything you need to know about building landing pages. I'll put a card up here in the right-hand corner. Of course, click here to access the blueprint. Speaking of landing pages, here's the main landing page that you will see when you click on that link in the description and the pinned first comment. That will take you over to learn more about the simple traffic blueprint. As you can see, that is a very nice landing page. Back to the home page, if you keep scrolling down, there's also a blog at 30minutemarketing.net. This big red button that says blog will take you over to the blog when you click it, and you can see the blog here with tons and tons of blog posts covering everything from affiliate marketing to how to make money with ClickBank, chatbots, effective ways, content, as well as PLR and other blog posts that you can see here on the blog. And of course, if you click one of these, it'll take you over to the blog and you can see the blog post and the formatting to include options for lead generation, which are all built into Thrive Themes. So the thing about Thrive Themes, when people think about or talk about getting a WordPress plugin or getting a WordPress theme, they look at Thrive Themes and they go, why does it cost so much if it's just a WordPress theme? Well, it is a complete end-to-end solution when you're talking about building your blog, your niche website, your authority website, your business website, anything and everything you need to do with WordPress, Thrive Themes does and does well. So as you can see here, conversion-focused WordPress themes and plugins, and they have a link here to all their products. So if you just simply to scroll down through here, you can see there's a huge range of products that are built inside of Thrive Themes. And you'll see all those when you go to thrivethemes.com. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check that out just by clicking on that link, and you'll be able to go and investigate each one of these. But I'll walk through some lesser known things or some lesser known benefits of being a Thrive Theme member. Of course, here are all the products, your all-in-one online business toolbox. You can see here you get a full suite of Thrive Themes WordPress plugins, constant updates, exclusive member-only courses, templates and contents, and unlimited support. These are the things that most people don't quite get when they start looking at Thrive Themes and comparing Thrive Themes with other WordPress themes that are available either for free or a one-time purchase or a lower price point. Is simply when you purchase Thrive Themes, for example, you can see my account here in Thrive Themes. You can see the yearly membership that I have here, and over here you have the member navigation, and you can see the access to everything you get, to include Thrive University. And Thrive University is part of your membership. So you get access to all these courses about growing your list, creating landing pages, writing better copy, creating a funnel, increasing conversions, building your website, Thrive Theme hacks, and premium courses that you see here, such as SEO Sprint for busy solopreneur, Course Craft, strategic thinking for entrepreneurs, everything you see here and more, all available inside of Thrive University, such as building evergreen sales funnel, building a powerful page, becoming a Thrive Themes Ninja webinar, conversion, 25 free design resources, mailing tips, and a 7-day list building challenge. And that's from page 1 to page 4, and there's more there in the middle. Other member benefits are the Thrive knowledge base here, so you get full support and answers to all your questions about the plugins, to include Thrive Apprentice, Thrive Architect, Clever Widget, Thrive Comments. Of course, if you don't know what all these are, you can take a look again by checking out the link in the description. Head over to Thrive Themes, investigate all these things you get when you become a member of Thrive Themes. Thrive product tutorials inside of your membership area as well. Access to all the themes and tutorials on the themes. You can even submit your website for review. So the Thrive Themes team will take a look at your website and give you personalized advice. All you do is submit that right there. So again, when you sign up to become a member, or when you purchase Thrive Themes, you sign up to become a member of Thrive Themes, meaning you get all that stuff inside your member account, readily available for you to access, as well as the plugins themselves when you upload them and log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you scroll down here, you'll see that there's the product manager. That's the screen I'm on here. This is a plugin that you upload that gives you access to all the plugins from one convenient dashboard, Thrive Leads, Clever Widget, all the way down to Thrive Optimize, as well as all the Thrive themes are readily available for you to use across all of your websites from one single dashboard inside of the product manager. Thrive Dashboard gives you access to Thrive Dashboard and all the plugins that you have installed. So you can see here the installed products here that I have installed: Thrive Optimize, Comments, Leads, Thrive Architect, as well as the blog theme, or the quote-unquote WordPress theme, which I'm using, which is Focus Blog. You have access to all the features: your User Access Manager, API connections, Retina icons, general settings, analytics and scripts, smart sites, global elements, and notification manager. Again, all inside of Thrive Dashboard. Nice and easy to operate, to configure, clean. Inside Thrive Themes, you set all your options inside of a single dashboard. There's no clicking around. All the plugins that you need are all available inside of Thrive Themes in one convenient account. So again, is Thrive Themes worth it? The answer is yes, because you get a complete suite of tools to build your business on your blog. And of course, here at 30minutemarketing.net, I'm always talking about your blog or your authority site, or your website being your hub that everything revolves around, and you bringing all your leads and traffic into that one central hub. And that's what Thrive Themes can be for you. It can be that partner that you're looking for in 2020 and beyond, to building that central hub, which is your blog, your authority site, or your niche site, whatever you want to call it, your lead generation for, again, like you see at 30minutemarketing.net, the blog with lead generation. Again, other videos here where I talk about how to use tools like this for lead generation, how to build a blog, how to build squeeze pages such as the one you see here for the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which is of course in the description in the pinned first comment that I'm always referring to, and the home page itself for 30minutemarketing.net to include all your disclaimers, all your menus. Everything you see here on 30minutemarketing.net is all built with Thrive Themes and all the plugins, options, and tools that are available in the full suite of products that you get inside of Thrive Themes. And again, yes, it's worth it. You should take a look at it. You get all that and so much more. It is a proven, reputable company that has been around for a long time. I've been a member since 2017. I will continue to be a member of Thrive Themes moving forward, and it has my highest recommendation. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Remember, check that link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your online business today. You'll see this landing page right here that you see on the screen. When you click on that link, check it out. That is the blueprint that you can use to move forward with your business here in 2020 and beyond. Click on the 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Ring the bell for notification of future videos, which are just like the ones here on the end screen, with more awesome content just like this video. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.